In this video I'll show you how to reset your Steam password. For that, just open your Steam app, then tap on this I need help signing in button, and it will take you to another website, and tap on I forgot my Steam account name or password button, and then you'll have to enter your email address and tap on I'm human button to and now you have to verify that you are human by doing this, or you can get anything. Tap on verify button, and that is how. Tap on source button after that, and then you have to tap on email and account verification code to your Gmail account, and then go and check your Gmail. And if you don't find it on your primary or all inbox, just go and check your trash or spam folders too, because it may sometimes go and stay there. And after you get that reset link, tap on your verification, and after that, and tap on that. After you receive email from Steam, enter that link, and it will take you to a website. There you can create a new strong password and confirm that, and confirm by writing that again down there, and tap on confirm button, and that is how you can reset your Steam. And that is how you can reset your Steam password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.